in Shawnee Slopes, looking at a window installation that's been done by Ecoline Windows. You can see that's even wedged in there really well. Not easy to take out, and yeah, creating problems there. And then if you look here at this sill, that's dirty. You're getting tons of damage here. There's a good chance that you're getting water leakage coming in to this space, damaging this frame. Just looking at this window here, on the interior side, we can see there's caulking all around the inside of the window. It's a typical DIY fix when your window's been leaking, it's probably drafty, a lot of air and cold coming through that tries to get repaired that way. Very good sign that this window needs to be replaced. All right, we caught these guys in progress since they're applying the 3M right now. So we're lapping it up the jamb. We're gonna get full sill coverage. So you can see they're just popping that window in. As I mentioned, really just pops in place. And then that brick mold, again, gonna sit on the outside face. With Ecoline Windows, what we get is not just a window manufacturer, but they're doing the complete installation, removal, cleanup, and the finishing work right down to the trims.